students. Welcome back to your e-learning classes. Students, do you know morning time is the best time for your study. So all of you utilize your morning time for your study. Students, today I want to share with you some important messages. Messages are first one, water is life. Every drop counts. Reduce the water usage and makes it available for next generation. Next one, stop cutting trees. Don't cut trees. They are our best friends which supply fresh air to breathe and makes the environment green. Now, don't litter the ground. Don't litter the ground. Make use of dustbin to throw the garbage. Start recycling things to reduce wastage. Shopping less. Do less shopping to avoid wastages. Think before you buy anything. Avoid using plastic bags. Use recycled paper bags. Say no plastic. Next one, cut power use. Switch off all extra lights which is not in use. This will save a lot of power. Use LED bulbs. It consumes less energy than others. Now, go to green. It means eat green. Cooking green requires less energy as compared to cook meat. Eating green and fresh vegetables also maintains good health. So once again, say no plastic, save electricity and be vegetarian. These all are the very important for our life and you can make yourself by following this healthy and safe. Students, today I want to share with you multiplication magic. It is a mind game. Without pen and paper, you can solve your multiplication. It will be fun for you. A little bit practice will make your work easy and it will make entertainment for you. Students, learn how you will multiply two digits with 11. Here steps are involved. Your first step is you put a space between first digit and the second digit. It is given in the example. Next one, put the sum in between first digit number and second digit number. Then you will get the answer. Here 3 plus 2 is 5. Now you put 5 between 3 and 2. Your answer is 352. It means you can solve it without the help of pen and paper. Only in mind you can solve this multiplication. Students, in the same way, you can multiply 45 into 11, 63 into 11, 12 into 11. Now, the magic number 2, 75 multiplied by 11. How you will solve it? First step is same. It means you have to put the gap between 7 and 5. Now, your next step is sum of the both digit number. It means 7 plus 5. It is 12. Then what you have to do here? If the sum is greater than 9, then the left digit of the sum will be shifted to the next place and will be added with the digit of that place. Here you are saying 7 plus 5 is 12. So you put here 2 and shift 1 and add it with 7. Now your answer is 825. So you can solve it by this process in your mind. You practice it and you can do it. Now students, it's the time of multiplication problem solving. I'm going to give you some problem sums and I will explain you and then you have to solve it. Worksheet 4, this is your classwork. 5 sums are given here, problem sums. You have to read all the problem sums and then you have to solve it. In the next slide, I'm going to give you the answer of this question. So please read the problems carefully and then try to solve it. Now, your question 1. There are 850 toffees in a packet. How many toffees are there in 215 packets? So solutions are given here. First, you have to write down here number of toffees in each packet and that is 850. And number of packet is 215. So total number of toffees in 215 packets. So you have to multiply it. 850 will be multiplied by 215. So if first step 850 multiplied by 5, second step 850 multiplied by 1 and third step 850 multiplied by 2. And now add the whole steps and your answer is 97,750. Thus the number of toffees in 215 packet is 97,750. Next question is a can of oil contains 15 liters of oil. How much oil is there in 240 such cans? Same way, write down the solution. Your capacity of one can. Here, 50 liter is given. Now, how many cans are there? There are 240 cans. So, you multiply 240 by 15 liter. Again, same way, 240, first step multiplied by 5, that is 1200 and again 240 multiplied by 1, that is 240. Now add the both steps. Here answer is 3600. There are 3600 liters of oil in 240 cans. In this way, you have to write the answer. Step-wise answer will be written in the copy. Question C. There are 238 beads in a necklace. Find the total number of beads in 167 such necklaces. Number of necklaces here 167 and in one necklace 238 beads are present. You know necklace is made up of beads. So find out the number of beads. So solution you have to write here number of beads in one necklace that is 238, number of necklace 167 and the total number of beads but 238 will be multiplied by 167 and process already I have explained but you will use that process and here answer is 39,746. Now your question number D. 1 dozen bananas cost rupees 36. What is the cost of 720 dozen banana? So cost of 1 dozen is given here rupees 36. Dozen means 1 dozen contains 12 things. You will keep it in your mind. So cost of 1 dozen is rupees 36 and cost of 720 dozens. Same process you will follow and your answer is here 25,920. So don't skip the steps. Steps is must for you. You will write whole steps in your copy and then you will do your classwork. There are 1000 pages in a book. How many pages are there in 75 such books? Same way, number of pages in one book is given here 1000 and number of pages, a number of books is here 75. So, number of pages in 75 books, 75 multiplied by 1000. So, your answer is here 75,000. There are 75,000 pages in 75 books. So, this is the classwork and all of you will do it in your maths classwork copy. Students, now it's the time of homework. Already I have given you so many examples in classwork. Now it's your turn. All of you read the question carefully. 5 questions I have given you for the practice. If you practice the classwork very nicely, then you will not face any trouble in the homework. So you read the question and do it at first in your rough copy. After some time, I will give you the answers. You will recheck it, cross check it, and then you will send your answer set. Now, be happy and have a nice day.